Many of you may face this issue where NVIDIA GeForce experience doesn't show the login page. This mostly happens when you download the graphic drivers incorrectly. Remember, when you download driver, search on Google NVIDIA driver. Instead of mentioning NVIDIA driver with the product name like searching NVIDIA drivers 1066GB drivers, this is the wrong way. This way, they mostly get older drivers that are frequently searched or somehow downloaded by pupils but not the latest version. I recently downloaded the drivers and got an older version which caused this issue. When I checked in the device manager, the driver were older version. Let me show you right now. The issue, when I click over here, just right click on this NVIDIA GeForce experience. And it's pop up. Now when I click on the login page, it's just gets stuck on this black screen or sometimes even gray screen, and you can see there's nothing, like you cannot log in using your email or through Facebook or Gmail. So the reason, you can also check your drivers. Just right click on your Windows icon and then the device manager. Once you are here, you can just expand this NVIDIA GeForce. Right click on this, go into the properties, drivers, and you can see here the driver date 8/6/2023 and the currently the date is 24 July 2024. Now the one more thing, when you download the NVIDIA drivers, like first you download the NVIDIA drivers using your Windows update, and after that when you search on Google and download the drivers, that's the second case. You will see here, you will get here the two drivers, but still you need to set here the latest drivers if you are gonna download through Windows update, and after that you are downloading from the official website. Still you need to set here the latest version because it's not changing automatically. So let me show you another demo of this issue. Right now you can see the drivers, and I'm searching here the NVIDIA drivers, which is over here, and you can see it's the older one. That's not the latest, bro. If I go like one, open this one, and the second, if I go NVIDIA drivers, then official drivers, and choose your product. I'm using GeForce now, the series 10, and then 1060. Choose your operating system. I'm using Windows 10 64-bit, and then download type game ready drivers, the GRD if you are a gamer, and if you are an editor then you can choose the studio driver, which is more preferable. But for gamers, you can go with the game ready drivers and then click on search. Now that's the latest version. You can see here the release date 2024, and if we go over, you can see the release date is 2019.4.11. so that's the difference, guys. You need to search through the through this way. Search on Google NVIDIA drivers and then download the latest version. Click on the download, choose the destination wherever you want to download, and in my case I'm gonna download it over here. Download, click on the start download. So that's the way, guys. You need to download the NVIDIA drivers using your exact way, like search on Google NVIDIA drivers instead of NVIDIA drivers with your product name. That's the wrong way. Thanks for watching, guys. If this was helpful, please like and subscribe to Windows Fixer for more tips and tricks and helpful tutorials. See you in the next video. Allah Hafiz. Bye bye.